In this Annapolis Sailing School Keelboat Club video, we will demonstrate how tactically it is often better to go wide and tight if you cannot establish an inside overlap at the zone at a leeward mark.
As the video starts, you see how both the pink and white boats and second and third approaching the zone have been trying to establish an inside overlap. But as they approach the three-boat zone, first white and then pink realizes they're not going to be able to do so. And so they bear away in order to go wider so that they can make a tighter turn compared to blue as they come into the leeward mark.
Here, pink has executed the wide and tight turn to get inside of blue and will now have better air over blue.
And as you see white do the same thing, white actually ends up coming out in first place, being able to give dirty air to both pink and blue, having gone out wider initially, taking advantage of the ability to come in tighter, and having a better position as they head from the leeward mark back towards the finish.